Alright, so welcome back to the channel. I'm about to react to this real quick. This is Freshy DaGeneral, or it's Taste627X Freshy DaGeneral. It's called Black Rain, and it's been a while since I've seen or heard Freshy DaGeneral rap on the track, so that's the only reason I'm reacting to this. It's shot by Ak Films, so you know the Ak at the corner store shot this. It got 1.3 likes, 1.3k likes, my fault. 151 dislikes. It came out September 12th, 2021, which was like last week. Got 43,000 views, and it's on Raps and Hustle's channel. They got 202k subscribers. I'm gonna get straight into it, tell you if this is fire or if it's trash. You know what I mean? Let's see what he's saying.
Yo, Zora.
So I look like a zombie.
Six two, 627. Choke. No back and forth, no bluff game. I walked in the game with a blood stain. Try to get away when the cops came. Hit the back his brain when I pack rain. Black rain. If you wanna get chased, you won't get away.
Is this the same guy that rapped with PMV J on that song called I think it was called not Takeover, it was another song. I forgot the name of it. His voice mad weird, bro.
Wait when the cops came. Hit the back his brain when I pack rain. Black rain. If you wanna get chased, you won't get away. Black rain. Hit the pack his brain and rip through his face. No back and forth, no bluff game. I walked in the crib with a blood stain. He tried to get away when the cops came. Hit the back his brain when I pack rain. Black rain. If you wanna get chased, you won't get away. Black rain. Hit the pack his brain and rip through his face.
Black rain, free tables, rip through his face. With that tray, we ain't leaving no trace. Or spin through them sides, I'm hopping them gates. Just in the G's, them niggas be lit. Hey, nigga talk down and get put in his place. Yo, shots, see cops, yo, bro, get away. And we give face shots, don't get him like Quay. We tryna make him feel our pain. No ask about, that nigga was a land. He was never gang. Heard folks caught out Black Rain. When the GC, we on the same thing. Try to run, then we got the blicket. Try to look back, then he got the trippin'. That's a school nigga, we ain't missing. He get drenched like a nigga fishing. Bro, go fuck by the cops, so listen. Tryna play dice.
Ooh, he said he get drenched like a nigga fishing. Come on, son. Come on.
Try to look back, then he got the trippin'. That's a school nigga, we ain't missing. He get drenched like a nigga fishing. Bro, go fuck by the cops, so listen. Tryna play dice, nigga, pay attention. Shot in the cut, trigger finger inches. We on the back, tryna catch some more victim. Folks for the truth, no, it's no missing. Spit through these shots, tryna make go missing. No pulling up, real pay nobody. Big m.i.s, tryna catch somebody.
No back and forth, no bluff game. I walked in the crib with a blood stain. He tried to get away when the cops came. I hit the back his brain when I pack rain. Black rain. If you wanna get chased, you won't get away. Black rain. Hit the pack his brain and rip through his face. No back and forth, no bluff game. I walked in the crib with a blood stain. He tried to get away when the cops came. I hit the back his brain when I pack rain. Black rain. If you wanna get chased, you won't get away. Black rain. Don't trip. Dizzy devils, we going insane. Black rain, I gon' put him on a chain. Red tips, I spark flames. Black rain. Caltech, so I walk with a cane. Black rain. My op died with his gun. Black rain. Every year put the ops through pain and give everybody a shame. Free folks that don't like the aim. Early mornings run up, let it rain. We don't bluff, we don't play them games. Wu can't fuck, so fuck Zane. Back home in the A-Wood gang, run up, rest in piss on his name. No back and forth, no bluff game. I walked in the crib with a blood stain. He tried to get away when the cops came. I hit the back his brain when I pack rain. Black rain. If you wanna get chased, you won't get away. Black rain. Hit the pack his brain and rip through his face. No back and forth, no bluff game. I walked in the crib with a blood stain. He tried to get away when the cops came. I hit the back his brain when I pack rain. Black rain. If you wanna get chased, you won't get away. Black rain. Hit the pack his brain and rip through his face.
This shit sound like some witchcraft. I'm not gonna hold some voodoo, some obia, some that black rain. That shit really, the way the beat sound mixed with that sounds so like weird. Like it's interesting. It's weird and interesting at the same time. That shit kind of addicting, but it's weird. I don't know how to explain that shit.
Won't get away. Black rain. Hit the pack his brain and rip through his face.
This shit kind of fire. I'm not gonna hold you. It's interesting in a weird way. The video's weird too. The video's kind of basic, but it's weird in its own way. Like, look at this shit.
Smoking boomer. Big smoking. Big G shit.
Look like he didn't even know what to say next. He just smoking boomer, smoking. Like he wasn't even sure what name to say next.
I got way more money than y'all broke ass niggas. That niggas is bums.
Dead niggas. How you know?
Bums. What am I like?
Free Crystal Lake.
We all bros. Chris out the feds. You know we keep one in the head. Free bowler.
Free m.i.s. Little dirty ass bitch can't sit in my.
So that's what m.i.s wrong, man. So m.i.s is in jail, and so is Chris Elite. Damn.
Free Corey G's. Free G-Man. Free the whole rant. Free all the pros. Fuck all the ops. Keep all the rats. Free RV. Free the Kurt. Free Duke. Mr. Double O. You heard?
Alright, so I'm gonna say this will come 8.5. Maybe you could go higher than that. Maybe I could go up a little bit more than that. I say it's somewhere in the range. This is a weird song. Like, it's mad weird. If I probably have to listen to it again a few more times, but that Black Rain shit really stuck in my head, bro. Like, that shit just sound like weird as hell, bro. But it don't sound bad at all. Yeah, this gotta go somewhere between like I'm gonna give this a wide range, somewhere between an 8 and a 9. It's somewhere in that range. You could go wherever you want. You could go even below 8, but I wouldn't go above 9. I'm not gonna hold you. But this could be a 9, but it could also be an 8. I'm not sure where to place this shit. It's just mad weird. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, because this shit kind of weird. But I did like Freshy DaGeneral's verse, and I didn't like Taste 627's. Did he have a verse in the beginning, or was it just chorus? I think he did. I liked his verse at the end, definitely. But in the beginning, nah. Chorus is crazy, beat is interesting. And yeah.